going to be a very, very, very quick video because I don't have my tripod with me, so we can't make it a long video. This is the floor of a shower stall, and the person told me that they used to feel comfortable in the shower, and now they feel like their feet are sliding all over the place. So we're going to do a test to see, will this help you if you have a mobility problem, or if you just feel like you're, I believe these are porcelain tiles, if you feel like you're slipping around. So let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to put my hand on the shower floor, and it feels filthy. It feels absolutely filthy. Feels like over there, I think you can probably see there's a lot of dirt. So there's a massive amount of dirt. It almost feels like sand to me. And I'm assuming that we have a massive amount of dirt and an enormous amount of soap scum on here. I'm just going to use some Windex. You could use isopropyl alcohol to really clean this up, but I don't have any with me right now. So I'm going to use some Windex, and we've got some paper towels over here. I'm going to clean this thing up, and then I'm going to show you the bottom of all the paper towels, or the top of the paper towels, and we'll see, does this clean it up? Will this make it more secure, more safe, less slippery? Use good ventilation, something I'm not doing. I'm in a closed room area right now, and it's very hard to get a window open, so wear a mask. These are the steps. Let's just, don't have the tripod, but let's clean the steps and see what kind of dirt comes off of the steps. Maybe this is the reason. Yeah, you can already see it over there. There we go. Maybe this is the reason why they are slipping all over the place in the shower, because they're slipping on dirt and soap scum. You can see all the dirt in, wow. This is just from the steps. There's so much dirt. There's dirt in the grooves where the caulk is. So that the caulk is extremely filthy. I really need to be using a scrub brush on here, which I will do afterwards, but I want you to see, look at this. Look at all the amount of dirt that's coming up just off of the steps. So I've got the Windex in there, which is, I believe it's ammonia. I believe it's ammonia, but I'm not really sure. And we'll get some squares of paper towel and do a little bit of cleaning, and I'm pretty sure that's what's causing this slippage problem. I'll be back. Okay, I did a little cleanup, but if you look in the corner over there, you can still see there's an enormous amount of like gunk over there that needs to be cleaned off. I used a brush. There really wasn't dirt. I'm going to rub my hand where I had it before. All that gunk I was talking about before is gone. So I'm going to put my hand against here. It's not slipping now. There's a lot of grip to it. So I'm really trying to twist my hand. Listen to this. So it's a lot better. Right over here, I don't know if that's some caulking. No, that's dirt. So this definitely made a big difference. There was not dirt that came off. There was just probably soap scum. The paper towel was totally clean. Over here, the paper towel was filthy. So I am going to go in here, come back in here, and do a really good cleaning, a very good scrubbing with a better brush and a better solution, and you should try that out. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Thank you.